Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to add location on your BeReal. Now the first thing we have to do is obviously we have to visit our profile in the upper right corner. You can see the profile icon right now. As you can see, we're on our profile, and as you can see, we don't have any location currently added right here. So what we can do is we can click edit my profile. Here you can put your full name, your username, your biography, and your location. So if you go to location, for example, what we can do is we can type in United and then States, or we can do it like this. Maybe it's better. We can do it Los Angeles, and we can click on it. And then once we click here on the right upper corner, as you can see, we are currently in Los Angeles, California. Now, obviously, your BeReal will still show where you are currently here, so you can't actually trick BeReal app in order, in order to show you a Los Angeles if you're not there, right? So again, this is basically how to add location, but I would definitely recommend you to still use normal location because BeReal will use your normal location. But this is pretty much how to do it. So if you have any questions regarding this, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.